We are Fairmate, one-stop solution for all your construction-related problems. Made in Bangladesh and a multinational construction chemical company. We have the widest range of all kind of construction chemical products. Concrete admixture, waterproofing systems, engineering grouts, industrial floor surfaces, surface treatments, concrete repairs, sealants, pre-packed concrete and mortar, protective coating, highway repair. Quality and safety are the top agenda of Fairmate. As we work on technology's improvement on constructions, Fairmate is continuously working on maintaining its quality standard and also obtain various ISI certifications. Our Bangladesh presence, our Indian presence, our international presence. We have worked in a wide range of projects: Matarbari Power Plant, Airport 3rd Terminal, Dhaka Metro Rail. Not only national, we have also reached international market. We are Fairmate. Some of our core values are quality, human and nature safety, teamwork, continuous improvement and learning, respect for people. We are proud for being an associate and member of DCCI, FBCCI. We have created 2 Guinness World Records on 7th January 2019 for most concrete pour continuously for 24 hours and the second record for the largest continuous concrete pour. We are Fairmate. We are different in terms of quality control, customer support and technical support. We are Fairmate, the best multinational construction chemicals in Bangladesh.